How to uninstall Family Link app without parents' permission. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see exactly how we can uninstall Family Link app without the need of our parents' permission. So for that you would have to remove the Google account from your current phone. So let's go to the settings for that and scroll down to the very end, and over here you will be able to see this section called Google. Just click on it. After that, click on this email ID that is being shown over here, and over here you will see this option of manage accounts on this device. Just click on it and scroll down. After that, click on Google, and now just select any of the email that you want to remove. Just select it and remove it, and after that just go back and then just click on email option again and click on add another account. And if it is your parents email ID, then you might not have the password, so in that case just click on forgot password and then select try another way in order to set a new password. This way the notification will be sent to your phone, and since the phone is in your hand, you would be able to unlock it, and this way the email will be removed from your device, and after that you can easily uninstall Family Link app. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.